everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is we are here na naman sa Davao Oriental Museum, guys. Samahan niyo ako, guys. Tour ko kayo kung saan natatagpuan yung dagat. Yung dagat here is the dagat. This is the pool. Tama na.
Bakit bat kayo? Dako na itong
so guys, ayun. Tapos horror pa dyan.